Pastiera, Sfogliatella Frolla. We recommend to store always the product between a temperature of -18 and -22 Celsius degrees. That's 0 and -7 Fahrenheit. Always reseal the bag if it is not completely used. Don't refrost the product once defrosted. Place the 700-gram pastiera on the baking tray covered by baking paper at a distance between the pieces of 2 centimeters. Place the 100-gram pastiera on the baking tray covered by baking paper at a distance between the pieces of 2 centimeters. Place the pastierina on the baking tray covered by baking paper at a distance between the pieces of 2 centimeters. Place the Sfogliatella Frolla on the baking tray covered by baking paper at a distance between the pieces of 2 centimeters. Place the Sfogliatella Frolla Mignon on the baking tray covered with baking paper at a distance between the pieces of 1 centimeter. Before baking, brush lightly the sfogliatella with egg yolk. Bake the 700-gram pastiera at 160 Celsius degrees, 320 Fahrenheit, for about 55 minutes. Bake the 100-gram pastiera at 170 Celsius degrees, 338 Fahrenheit, for about 35 minutes. Bake the pastierina at 170 Celsius degrees, 338 Fahrenheit, for about 15 to 20 minutes. Bake the Sfogliatella Frolla at 180 Celsius degrees, 356 Fahrenheit, for about 30 to 35 minutes. Bake the Sfogliatella Frolla Mignon at 180 Celsius degrees, 356 Fahrenheit, for about 25 to 30 minutes. After baking, let the product stand for about 10 minutes. Never bake the product if the oven is not turned on. Avoid baking different products together. Don't open the oven during baking. Please check the product's fine baking only in the last 5 minutes. Serve the pastiera Sfogliatella Frolla warm or at room temperature after having sprinkled with icing sugar.